Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Fliki account using your email address. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to Google and then search for Fliki. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or search for Fliki and click on the link. Click Login, which is on the right hand side of your screen, and there will be options. You can click Continue with Email, write down your email address and then click Next. After this, write down your password and then click Submit. After you write down your password, and if the password is incorrect, then you cannot log in to your account. So go ahead and write down the correct password and then log in to your email address using your Fliki account. So this was a video on how you can log in to your Fliki using your email address. Simply go to Google, search for Fliki and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. Click Login, which is on the right hand corner. Click Continue with Email, write down your email address, click Next and then write down the password and then click Submit. After the password is correct, you can log in to your email address and receive Fliki's treatment, and you can edit the videos using Fliki now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.